What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Um, I'm going to teach you guys how to design on those flyer design. Um, let's get started by creating documents. So, the current column modes, okay, RGPU, GPU, and this sites. Once make cells, then back, then it's just shown 300 dpi. I think that's all packet. Yeah, let's press OK. So what we first do is that we should create a rectangle shape. That will be scale size since we are working with 10 by 10. So you double click the rectangle twice, then import your background by pressing Ctrl I or just right click the mouse, then come to imports. So I really this background as our something for the flyer. It. So we are going to power clip the backgrounds into the square shape that we created. You can just go to the effects power clip and power clip the image here, or you hold down the right click, then drag it into the square just like this, then press power clip. So with it, here's it, just rearrange it. I think it's up like this. Just make the image both us. We are concentrating on the night. So adjust it to where you want it, just to make it better. So keep a beautiful like this. Then this particular outline, sometimes I don't like seeing that outline because it doesn't make my work look professional. So I just come with a right click. As you can see, it's not there anymore. So we start by placing our local. But before that, you can see this area is kind of deep. So the logo you want to place on it might not really show very well. So you have to create a lighting effect and the background for draw example, right? Fill it with white. Remove the outline just like this. Right click. Then come to effects, blur, Gaussian blur, Gene to 60. Top is nice like this. Then you use the transparent because now it's kind of shouting just too bright. So you use transparent to make it blend with the background. This time we adjust to 15. Yes, this it's true. 20 we get that 20. That's to make it splash. 20. me put any import our logo by right treatment link imports. It is the logo I've prepared for the work. So this try be to the extent I want just like this. As soon think I will need to first print this white deletes or length than for studies. So this 5 thing. Yes, you can just play around it. It's see find the perfect tastes. So tablets then because the rubber of the bits salts some the whites to be more realistic. City archives sand safe F first prints shirts there. I think it's nice like this, yeah. It's nice. Yes. So come back here to drop it to come down. Yes. That's yeah. Portrait set. So highlights all then control E all stoppies. So he highlights the center then change the fonts. Let's see feature this this make it smoother. So we have to break it so we can apply different effects to the text by pressing Ctrl K to create it apart. So we can work on the text differently. It is Buddha this more Buddha and then now just like this. The best controls just press C. C is okay. Just press C to make it centralized. Select all the text, then press C to make it centralized. So we apply color through this text. You can just group it with Ctrl G and just write Pratik, then press Ctrl G. Then only fill it with our color. Come here, interactive filters, or we press G, kick it from the left to the right. So X, TK, then come. We are using RGB, so it's into RGB. Use Mark Factory 14 Then the other side, use RGB, select RGB, which will exist MDB because we are working with RGB. So everything that is creating should be, every color property they're using should be RGB. So use 349 wanted 3. So that's it. Then let's ungo to move the test compiler. So we should then this to come down for select the two together, click it once, just like this. Once for it to show this icon, this. So you just comment, then drag it to the right side, just like this. Then from here to up, this it gets a little bit smaller. I think you need to bring the cars down, so that is shift the background down so that it can accommodate the text. I click by this power clip. Hold the control key to make anything not to drag straight like this. No. Okay, then we'll come here to finish. Not all correct. So make it border. Then we'll group inputs. Select the background, then press C to align it to the center. So after that, come on. What's the tank shader? Just call this templates. There click shaders. Niches black. So black. Made it that transparent by coming here, transparent tools, click uniform transparent, make this 60%. Enter. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and then delete white outline. Correct this whites or also right click this whites. Right click to make it fill the outline. Then you change the outline white. So or you can just press F2 cut for outline pen. So through then you scale its objects so that when you drag the image, when you drag the shape, when you increase it, the outline is not going to increase. It's going to retain just exactly the way you want it. And when you try to reduce the rectangle, the outline is not going to increase. It's going to retain the perfect size given to width there. So scale with objects. Okay. We need the fade. But like this, let me just put it there so you're back. This is obviously what I'm doing. So remove the fade. So it's renewed the outline here and select the transparent trace. You get just like this. I just play and with it. We then return gains. We can click Control G to duplicate it. So you know it's like this. New vertically. It's like this. So as you can see now, I've created some effect at least to make it look professional. Then the drop highlights dates, then drop dates. That is by clicking this update once, which you place it on, then click C E to make it perfect. So when you stay on the shape that you created, now this writes what we want to stay our services. Control plus zoom in. My change the color to white. Mm. What's all the services? Well, so so you change the color to white, then it goes change the fox. So we won't put our billets to make it play. Wait. I just create sales. So I just created this already so that it won't take much of the time. So you can just create anyone the like. So that's it. Done. I just so you can just press Ctrl G, or sometimes I really slide to just hold down the left click, then bring it down. While I press Ctrl to make it straight, then right click to duplicate it. So let's do this. Oh. So do the same thing by holding down the left key, left mouse, left click, mouse. So when you press the Ctrl to make it straight, then right click to duplicate it. Just like that. So we try to adjust so we can look more professional. Need open do So let's adjust it. This. I think we have much space here, so I'm going to adjust it. Plus 9 minutes. Then that is control R. We can just press Control to make it perform last or mad. This do this press Control. This adjust this down here. It's spirit. And let's to be dirty so we can write another right up in front. Zoom Control plus G. Reduces. If you turn this to contact us, then better contact us. You need to delete this because we are using contact, so you have to use social media logo for contacts. By click import or press Ctrl plus type to import. Import this. Delete this. We don't get anymore, so we change this text to the contacts. Mean the number, which is the WhatsApp number. So we adjust it, make it order, go to it. So we select the WhatsApp logo with the WhatsApp number, then we press the to make it align. But this it is click it together, then we press L to make it align to the left. So let's adjust this. And we'll press Ctrl R. So we make it follow the last command, then press this, press Ctrl R. Then we need to adjust this like this, then Ctrl down. So select it together, group it, then select this, then press B to make it align to the bottom, just like this. So let's see what we have done so far. Go. Then we select the two together, press Ctrl G, select the background, press C to highlight to the center, post like this. I'm gonna actually make it non-order. It's one is best starting not but you So let's change the background. So let's change the font to. We have to make it the cursive font at least, so can draw people attention that it's talking about the complaint motto. Change. Oh, sorry. Let's return to the pictures before we change the fonts. And press this. Change the color to white so it can be obvious. Then click this and the background and press C to make it centralized. So it is on this to make go little fits the background there. Press C to centralize. So I think we need to work on the background. Please make it more brighter so that the write-up on it can actually be obvious and look more professional, sharp and obvious. So we press, after selecting the background, you press Ctrl plus B. Choose them for the brightness, the contrast. That's intensity 4, highlight minus 27, shadow 25, moon tone -7. I think that's fine. We can just play around with it with any, depending on the background you are using. So just make sure the background is kind of light and brighten it, add more lights. So that the write-up on it can be very good, clean and be obvious for people to see. There we did finish. Spin this up a bit. Um, mm. So that's about how to design or to make flyer design. Thank you for watching me.